One of the strengths of Nuke Stage is being able to easily work with Nuke using the USD as the interchangeable scene format. Sharing the same color management, file formats and nodes means artists will not only be able to build up photoreal 2D or 2.5D scenes to export to Nuke Stage for real-time playback, but also drive the Nuke Stage editor session to make changes on the fly, giving more flexibility on the virtual production. Let's take this Nuke USD scene for example and quickly walk through how it was created. We start with an 8K lat long image and also a rough geo of the scene. Using the mesh as reference, we can create geometry from within Nuke to project onto using familiar workflows. Then the scene can be exported via the Stage USD Exporter gizmo for use in the Nuke Stage session. In Nuke Stage, you still have control over the textures, position and visibility to make any changes needed on set. In this project example, we can have multiple grade looks and connect those to different outputs to pipe into a display. We can easily switch between grades whilst maintaining the real-time playback. Also, you have the ability to create chroma or luma keys in Nuke Stage for localized color corrections and adjustments. We can create noise maps and do typical merge operations from within Nuke Stage should you need to introduce grunge to a texture. Or we can use those same noise maps to drive lighting animations like the twinkling or car lights in the distance here. You can use the depth information from the camera and the USD scene to control the depth of field of the image and the defocus. If you need light blockers or cards to subtract and add light from the scene, those can be easily made from the node graph. And we can control the size, shape, feather and color temperature measured in kelvins to match with on-stage lights to help out gaffers and DOPs. If you still need more complex work, you can always export a tracked camera from set back to a Nuke session, import the scene, set the matching timecode and start using the larger toolsets from Nuke to then round trip back to Nuke Stage. With the interoperable nature of Nuke Stage and the lightweight real-time playback with photoreal plates, you can be assured that the virtual production productivity will greatly increase. Finally, we'll jump into Nuke Stage's Vault feature to see how it handles the metadata of virtual production shoot, which will help out enormously further down the post-production pipeline.